Okay, so here's the Breva with Le Mans side covers. Cut down the seat and with new exhausts. Cut down the rear. It needs tidying up a little bit on this side. Rear fairing. Put new shocks on. They're a little shorter. I'm going to have to drop the front end down a little bit. There's a mock-up of the stickers for the side covers. Going to do a little bit more with the exhaust extended out just a little bit here so that the original mount fits on the back there. And it's all going to get a nice new paint job. Okay, so back to work on the greaser with baby brother. 750 Breva. Now I've done a bit of fiberglass and rear seat covering to follow the lines of the tank and seat, and quite happy with it. Looking pretty good. Here are the shock absorbers I bought for the Breva. Yeah, very nice nitrogen gas canisters. You can adjust the air pressure in the for the rebound in there. Only problem is these are 340 mils long when the originals are 390 mils from eye to eye. Okay, so I've ridden the bike around with them on like this for a while, and the handling isn't quite that good. Changes the steering geometry, the rake and trail, all of that. So I've been to an engineer and had this extension made up. He's put a thread in both ends. What I'm going to do is insert that in there, and that'll get us the extra 5 centimeters and make the 390 mils same as the originals. And the eye screws in here. I'll get to that in a second. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to polish these up. I've had them made from stainless steel, and I'm just putting this on so I've got something to hold on to while I polish up the extension. What I'm going to do is use the trusty Ryobi with a scouring pad, followed by a loose leaf calico buff, and they'll come up like chrome. Just you wait and see. So as you can see, the one on the left is unpolished, the one on the right is polished. It's come up looking like chrome. It doesn't look that great in this light, but when the sunlight hits it, it'll look fantastic. Okay, so you can see I've got the extensions on the rear shock absorber. It does make them look a little strange, a little long in this section here, but once we get that pipe in there, once we get that pipe in there, so it's virtually going to cover the join, so it won't be so obvious, and I'm sure it's going to look great. What do you think, Moby? And Duchess? Okay, so here's the result. I've put the exhaust on and pretty much it hides the join, the extension that gives me another 5 centimeters and makes the ring sit at the correct height. Looking pretty good. And puts the frame horizontal, so the line, the tank, the seat is all nice and horizontal with the correct size rear suspension. Just a quick addition. I also put on these heat shields to hide the join, the extension for the header pipes. Looked a little bit messy earlier, but now looks all good and factory.